Hey everybody, are you ready for another DIY? Okay, here we go. I saw these at Hobby Lobby and they were snowmen, okay? And I didn't buy them, and a lot of times, like I told you, sometimes I will buy something and use it as a pattern. Other times I either will take a picture of it or, well, usually a picture of it. And that's what I did with this particular DIY. What it is, I could tell it was cording wrapped around a styrofoam ball, okay? And then they had put on the eyes, and then it had the black and white Santa hat. So I will insert the picture of the pictures that I took from Hobby Lobby. So what I've done so far is I've just taken this cording, and this cording I got in my Dollar Tree haul. I think this is for like a clothesline, and it's in where the clothespins and all that. That's where I found this. So what I've done is I've just started to coil this around this styrofoam ball. And I haven't even glued it yet. Now I'm going to start gluing a little bit because it kind of adheres to the styrofoam ball. It's weird, but it's cool because I'm not going to go back and take it off. So I'm just wrapping it around the ball here, okay? And this is a very easy DIY. And if you get your stuff from Dollar Tree, you know, I think these come in a 3-pack or a 4-pack, and then this was $1, and then the material I had, and then at first I thought, oh shoot, I don't have any beads, you know, to make the eyes and the mouth. And then I thought, you know what, I'll do like I did with another DIY that I'm going to show you. I haven't showed you yet for Christmas, but I made them out of air dry clay. And they're not hard. All you're doing is making a little round ball and then flattening out a couple of them for the eyes. And then I painted them with black and the nose with orange. Very inexpensive, but you could make, you know, as many as you want of these to go on your tree, or to give as a gift, a teacher's gift, or a gift for a friend, or an ornament exchange. That would be cool. I used to always do ornament exchanges. I don't know if I'm going to do that this year or not. I doubt it. I should. I haven't done one in a couple of years. We'll see. We'll see. You never know. But you see now how I'm wrapping it up towards the top, and the way that you're watching me wrap it up towards the top is exactly how I started it. So that's why I'm going to show you ending it, and that's just exactly the same way I started it. Keeping it close together. I have another DIY for Christmas I'm doing with this cording too, but I think I might have to get a little bit thicker. I'm trying not to buy anything that I don't have to and just use up what I have. But there's a couple things I think I might have to because I don't think I have a thicker cording. We're almost done here. And this is going to be a quick DIY as well. Sometimes some of my DIYs are longer than others. I try to do ones that are quick and that you will be able to get done fast. Sometimes you can only go as fast as you can go. I mean, that's just the way it is. But when I can do one that you can get done quicker, of course I'm going to show you, because I know all of us, time is of the essence, right? We're almost done. Okay, almost there. I just got to get this one little bit in. Gotta love those strings from the hot glue. Okay, I'm going to cut this off and then I'll just glue it at the end. Okay, so there's the end of it. Here's the beginning. So this is going to be my top. But this is what it should look like. And all you've done is you've wrapped your cording around a styrofoam ball. And it can be whatever size styrofoam ball you want. I think this is a 2.5 inch. Alright. So now, let's see. I want to take, and by the way, I just cut this like in a cone hat shape, you know. And this is a scrap piece of flannel. And I glued it. I didn't sew it. Usually I would sew these, but I just glued it with hot glue and I left the bottom of it open. So I just put the glue here, here, and at the top and, you know, let it dry. But now I want to put, I think I'll put the fur on once it's on the snowman. So I'm going, this came apart a little bit. So I'm going to glue that little bit back. That's fine. And I have some fur that I've had for a long, long time, and it's in a strip. Actually, I think they sell it at, well, I think they sell it at Joann's and Hobby Lobby. And it comes in a roll. But first what I'm going to do, I think, is, well, I'll put the hat, just so I can kind of gauge where I want my eyes. And see if there's a particular side that I like better than the other. Okay, so I'm just going to put this on, like I said, and this is just to kind of give me a guide to where I'm going to want, let's look, eyes I made with the air dry clay and black paint. Along with the nose, I did the same thing. Okay, cool. I think that's just about right. So I'm going to go ahead and glue it. Well, actually, I'm going to glue the hat on now, and I'll put the fur at the end. So take your glue gun. Wherever you want your hat to be. Remember I told you I didn't, I wasn't even going to use black and white for my fall. And then, like I say, I got a couple pieces home and I really liked it. So I thought, you know what, I'm going to incorporate a little bit of that in my den and my kitchen area, along with another plaid. And you'll see that in my upcoming Christmas DIYs as well. I had the buffalo check last year, the red and black. I'm not using that this year. Okay, this came apart a little bit from the glue, and that's no big deal because the fur is going to be on it. Now I'm going to go get my fur, and I'll be back and put that on, and we'll finish up with the face. Okay, this is what I'm talking about. And this is how it came. I didn't cut this particular one. I believe I got it at Joann's. But it's perfect And I'm doing another really cool DIY. And this is the one I talked about. Oh, I can't remember when I talked to you guys about this, but I think I'm going to put the back of it, start there. For one of my ornament exchanges that I had, and this particular one that you'll be seeing, not this one, but another one that I'm doing, everyone fought over that ornament and wanted it because it was like a white elephant where you had so many times that you could pick, and then I think it's the third time you have to keep whatever it is that you end up with. Just so happens my boss's wife got it, and she still puts it up. She told me that. Okay, I just had to get another glue stick. I'm going with the long one this time. Okay. So there that is. There's your fur on your hat. Just want to make sure that I just depend on how you want your hat to lay. This on the bottom of it. Yeah, I am. So I'm just going to glue that on. Now we're going to put the face. Okay. Okay, there's the eyes. Or do I want that nose? Can you see, like, you know, four or five of these on your tree? I mean, if you want this kind, or I mean, just envision it with whatever material you want. If you wanted a, you know, a white hat, a red hat, red and black buffalo check, whatever you want. Just envision it with this. And again, I made the eyes and nose, carrot nose, eyes, all that with air dry clay. Now, a lot of times I've noticed that, I mean the smile, they don't put the smile. I almost like him without it, to be honest with you. And I don't think there's a way that these will stay where I can kind of get the gist of what it would look like with the smile. Or you could put one. That's kind of cute. I kind of like it without the smile. And I'm going to glue this so it stays put, because I don't want it, well, it kind of looks cute just hanging there too. Maybe I'll just let it hang there. I do want to put some of these berries. Don't know if I want greenery in this or just this. I'm going to do mine without, this particular one without the smile. Have them like that, like this on this side, whatever you want. And there you go. There is your little snowman that was inspired by a Hobby Lobby snowman ornament. There you go. Like I said, I am not going to put the mouth on. I really didn't like the mouth when I saw them on the ones at Hobby Lobby. I just like it without. I think it's cuter. If you wanted to put just one where it looks like it's just going, ooh, whatever. But I will go ahead and I will put a, sew a string up here and to hang it, or what you could do is just nestle it into the tree, you know what I mean, in between the branches. Okay, I did one with the the clay beads that I made. This is the smile. There is one with the smile and here's one without. And I wanted to show you the packaging of what I used here that I got from Dollar Tree. This is what it is. The 50-foot clothesline, and it was $1. So that's it, guys. That's it for my little Hobby Lobby inspired snowmen ornaments. So until next time, remember, the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever, ever forget it. Talk to you soon, guys. Bye.